I think it's time for a new landing pad. So this old thing has been with me for a year now. You've probably seen it in every single flight test. It's a cheap job, less than £10 from Amazon. It lets water through, it's not very good, it's covered in dirt, and it's actually designed for photography. So Freewell Gear have very kindly sent us one of their new compact landing pads for review. Now obviously you can use this whether you're flying a Mavic, a Phantom, a racing quad, anything. This is designed for any of those scenarios. So you've seen how it arrived to us very quickly as well. Freewell Gear are actually based in the USA. I'm based in the UK, and yet it arrived very, very quickly, less than a week. Let's have a look at what it looks like. So it's packaged in this packaging here, but it also includes a nice carry bag, which is good. Let's slide it out of that. And this is a bit of an upgrade from my last one, that's for sure. Now this is not a pop-up expanding one, it's a case of unfold it. And once unfolded, it looks very nice indeed. Now the massive benefit of this over one of those pop-up ones is that my pop-up one is continually blown away. You might notice in my reviews, I'm constantly having to put something on that pop-up landing pad, whereas this has a nice weight to it when it's folded out. Not heavy when you're carrying it, but heavy at least to sit flat on the ground when you put it there. It is two-sided as well, so you can actually flip it around, put it on the other way around, and then you've got this different colour. So really that's up to you, the choice of colour. But it feels nicely made. The finish on it's not too bad. And yeah, it feels nice and durable. Plus it's waterproof as well and easier to clean than my other one that I have definitely overused. So let's take it out to the field and give it a quick try. So as usual, it's that kind of slightly overcast day at the flying field, but let's try our Freewell Gear landing mat and see what it's like. So we're at the flying field and it is quite blowy today. I'm not sure if you can hear it on the microphone, hopefully not. But this little landing pad that I've been using would just blow away. It's fine when you've got the weight of a quad on it, but as soon as you take off, this thing can just blow away. So lovely thing about this Freewell Gear pad is that it's got some more weight behind it. And so that means that when it's down, it ain't going anywhere. Now it's certainly bright. You can choose which colour you want. Perhaps this can be the hangover side. So when you've had a few beers the night before, use this side because it's not so blinding. But yeah, we're going to stick with the yellow side. The other good thing about it, of course, is that the size of it as well. It's a good size for the quad. It's not too big, not too small, just about right. So, I mean, other than that, I'm not really sure what else I can do with a landing mat to test it. Yay, it works. Overall, yeah, nice quality mat. Now, the only thing I have noticed about it is that there are some crease marks on it, which have gone slightly, very, very slightly white. Not sure if you can see that along here. I raised this with Freewell Gear and they are investigating that to try and fix it. But it's not a big issue and you don't really notice it. But as far as landing mats go, this one is a little bit on the pricey side, but it's well made, it's heavy, it's not going to blow away. So overall, I'm pretty pleased. Links to this product are in the video description. If you want to buy one, click on that link. And thank you very much to Freewell Gear for sending this to us to have a look at. Be sure to comment on the review, give this review a thumbs up, and of course, if you're not subscribed already, click that button now. Thank you very much for watching.